Hey guys, let's do a weekend analysis of Bitcoin. Got some strong key resistances we need to be watching on SPY, and if you guys have not seen this video yet, by the way guys, we have a Twitter account. If you guys want to follow us on Twitter, we post all of our urgent videos over there. Are your funds truly safe at Coinbase? Coinbase did actually respond to one of our members, and we're going to share with you guys exactly what they said. That's a video that we just uploaded. You guys can follow us on Twitter for that or access it on YouTube. The response shocked me. I still don't fully believe them. I don't. We'll give you guys some options of what to do about that. Okay, let's dive into this. This is kind of fun this morning. I want to just take you guys straight over to SPY this morning. We're going to go through the metrics and all this type of stuff. By the way, do you guys see what's happening with EOS? Woohoo, this bad boy is going to the moon. Just kidding. Nothing goes to the moon. Greatest resistance level real quick, guys, for all of you in EOS is 119. You guys can see it right over here to the right side. 119 most likely is where we're going to be hitting. I've called this out in the beginning of the year. I do believe EOS is going to be the greatest. I believe it's going to have the greatest gains this year, EOS and Cardano, and that in another video. I want to talk to you guys about this. Let's come over here to the SPY. Depending on how you are drawing your trend lines, we were drawing them at massive resistances here. We already broke this, but if you guys are drawing at wick values, I want to show you this over here because it's very interesting because right now, literally right now, we are sitting at this wick value right here. If you guys can see where I'm at, I pulled this wick value up here to the top of the trend. We are sitting there and we are actually getting a rejection from this right now. If S&P sees any type of rejection back down here, we will see a drop back down in crypto. Let me pull this up to you guys real quick. I'll zoom in here for you guys. Look at trend exhaustion right here, how high this is. Look at well money flow and how high that is. Last time we had well money flow this high, trend exhaustion got this high. This was over here predicting the massive drop back down. I do not believe the S&P 500 is out of the woods yet for a complete bull market takeover. I think we're going to see some moves back down here pretty soon. Guys, we also have staring us straight in the face the massive psychological level of $400. That is where we stalled, and now we have a red candle. So how is this going to impact us in regards to crypto? Well, crypto over here, Bitcoin at least, is trying its best to push to a double top formation up here, and then we're probably going to see another move back down. For Bitcoin over the weekend, what we really need to be watching is if we break this ascending support line, so anything right around 22,350, right around that level, that will officially break the ascending support here, and it will break the ascending support here. If that happens, visually, most traders, I would say, are going to visually try to target this price down here for their short trades. Okay, we already see up here that as price action has been heading up, creating higher highs and higher lows, we see that well money flow tracking large transactions is actually heading out of the market. Guys, this usually is a sign that the whales are abandoning retail traders to the upside. Okay, let me see if I can find this for you guys real quick because this has happened before in the market and it's just a clear sign of like, oh, you better be watching out because this is not good. Let me see if I can find it over here for you guys. Let's take a look. Actually, let me pull over here when we actually got to some really big highs over here. If you take a look right here, you've got a high and you've got another high. I'll zoom in so you guys can see this. This is showing aggressiveness in the market where crypto buyers are gung-ho. They're just super excited. We're going to $70,000, $80,000. During the same duration, if you follow this down here, if you guys follow these crosshairs straight down, it brings your eyes right here. You can see that well money flow here is starting to flow out of the market. Again, bringing it back to what I just said, abandoning retail traders to the upside who think crypto is just going to go up there. If you guys grab these indicators in the description, you'll get a discount on them, but use them to track what's happening with large transactions. If this is going down, it literally means larger transactions are coming out of the market for crypto. Okay, and then partner that with the trend exhaustion, looking at the actual structures, the massive structures of crypto. This will show you if it's exhausted as well and looking for a move back down. That's how we've been able to call a lot of these moves on this channel. And honestly, guys, we actually have the highest win rate recorded in YouTube and crypto anywhere that we can find. We actually hold it at 126. We just won a trade the other day. 126 wins with only one loss, and that loss was on Luna, just so everybody knows. And we also have a scalping strategy that we're releasing to you guys, so snag a membership. We are 400% more than the S&P 500. We are averaging over 0.5% a day. If you guys are trading with us, if you're using very good risk management, you're sitting at about 5% a month with our scalping strategy, which is absolutely just awesome. Just guys, come over here, grab a membership, click subscribe, go up here to Telegram. You guys will get access into our Telegram channel where we call everything out. Okay, Just want to show you guys how to make some money in this market because our next calls are coming soon. Let's go over this. Let's come over here to the membership. You guys will get access to this as well as all the charts. What is happening with Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin pushed up to an 80 to 80, 85, 86% chance of a move back down. When that happened, that directly correlates to this guy right here, and we did see a move back down. If our metrics ever push 80% or higher, you need to be looking for the moves back down in crypto. If it ever gets to 97% like it did over here, you better be watching for massive drops back down. Now, long trades are still elevated over here for Bitfinex, far elevated in volume over short trades. So it still looks fairly bullish. Now, I just want to pause here and be honest with you guys about something. This metric down here is not the overall best thing to be looking for to predict crypto. Let me just be honest with you guys. As people have been buying more crypto, the market has just been going down. Yeah, there's probably a lot of people acquiring at lower prices, but this is not a telltale sign that the market is going to go up just because people are buying more volume of longs versus shorts. This metric is number one. You guys should be watching this, and you should definitely be watching the trend exhaustion, price swell, money flow. Those are the ones that are really going to show you guys what's going on. I like to show this to you guys because it just gives you guys something to understand what's going on with long and short trades. This is interesting up here though. This actually shows you guys the market cap strength or the dominance. Out of all the money that's in crypto, is the overall money flowing into Bitcoin or out of Bitcoin right now? And we can see that people have been buying in, but recently they've just been taking their money out. Let me show you guys Ethereum real quick. You guys can see all of our charts on here when you guys are over here and become part of our awesome team. Guys, Ethereum denying Bitcoin. Bitcoin's like, oh, I don't really know what to do right now. We're going to lose millions of dollars. People are just throwing their money into Ethereum. You guys know the merge is coming up in September, right? I think a lot of people are getting prepped for that, thinking, oh my gosh, we may actually see a huge move up here. I do believe we're going to see one more decent move back down, maybe more, but at least one more before the merge happens in September. Okay. We also see over here, interesting enough, just to show you guys this, that long trades are moving out of the market. Coming back over here, let me just pull up Ethereum real quick so we can see this. As far as Ethereum goes, I just want you guys to be watching this ascending support right here. Any type of breakdown below, I would say about $1,500 or lower is an absolute visual structure break here, and then we're going to be looking to go lower. I am also watching trend exhaustion because it's in the top red section up here. This is a sign that the structure is overextended. And again, like I showed you guys, this is technically higher than this high over here. And we are in a form of divergence right now with the well money flow, meaning money, larger transactions are moving out of Coinbase over here, Coinbase on the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum USD. Okay. I personally am starting to scale out of my positions that I hold. You guys can see that we've done this. We scaled out 25% on Cardano. We have 25% here. I'm going to buy back into Cardano probably when we're right about down to this area, and I will be calling this out for all of you guys who are members with us. We exit at the top up here, 50% of mana. We had other exits here, so it's a less than 50%. It's the 50% of what remained after we exited, just being honest with you guys. So when this breaks, I'm looking to buy back in probably around here for mana. Dogecoin here. If we get a breakdown here, we're going to get very, very good entries. We're just going to accumulate more coins than we started with. Guys, it's just all about accumulating as many coins as possible in this lower accumulation period is really what it is. As far as sheep, I'm watching for a breakdown here, and then we're going to be purchasing more coins. EOS, guys, look at this thing. It is not slowing down. We'll probably go straight to 119. This is like insane. This is really nice because we hold this account over here, and EOS is our number one highest holding. And what are we at? 70,000. I don't think we pushed to 71. We're probably still below that. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. We're at 71,703. I don't know what that difference was just there, but it's probably decent. When EOS and Cardano go up, guys, we just do the best over here. I have full confidence that EOS and Cardano are very, very good bets. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you're for or against him, I don't care. I think he's a decent guy, honestly. BitBoy Crypto. He owns a lot of Cardano, and it's one of the ones that he is really gung-ho about. Not a lot of people talking about EOS out there, though. We've been talking about it so much over the last year, and it's always been my number one holding. And this is pretty awesome to see this. So watch EOS to basically hit the 119 and then probably see a decent move back down here. Here's my deal, guys. I'm just going to hold this whole account until we get back up to about $150,000, $200,000, and then we're going to take some money out. I'm holding this for the long term. I'm putting this in my Ledger account. Okay, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this. It means so much to us. And I think you guys will actually just really enjoy the analysis we do on this channel. Myself and Jake, you'll see him on this channel as well. We just love crypto, guys. Like, we actually really love trading crypto. I've got 2 accounts open, a scalping and an accumulation account, about 53,000. Then we've got 71,000 over here, which is basically a long-term hodl position. And we have literally, I mean, I don't mean to take this as bragging, but we do have the highest win rate on crypto we can find anywhere at 126 wins and only 1 loss. Our last win, just so you guys can see this over here, and I'll end this video here because I don't want to make this too long. Our last win we ended up taking over here was on XRP. We did 4.16% on XRP. And then the trade before that we did over 19% actually on Ape. You guys can see this right here. We did 19.94% on Ape. We're just going to keep calling all of these trades out for you guys. And all you need is a membership over here. Again, click subscribe. Once you do that, just follow us in Telegram. You got the Inside Circle. We're going to go live every month. We just actually did a live Zoom call yesterday. If you want to watch that, you can watch it here. Masterclasses, trending news. I don't show this to you guys a lot, but all the trending news for every single one of our coins, you guys can immediately find it right over here. It's actually like super fun to watch that. Inside tips here is where everything is called out. The money is made on the inside tips, not insider trading. I don't even know how to do that. Inside tips is just where we call out all of our trade calls, and that's where we've achieved the win rate that we have. So guys, have an amazing, amazing Friday. I love you guys. I'm jacked about this market. We're making money, and I'll see you guys later. Snag the links in the description. How about click the links in the description for the membership, as well as we also have the indicators over there. You guys are actually going to be able to get, let me show this real quick. Indicators, you guys are going to get an 82% discount on the bundle pack. If you guys want to follow our scalping strategy, you need at minimum price for swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion. Snag these 2 at minimum. The bundle pack is the best because you guys do get 82% off, and our strategy you can find on the front page right here for crypto. And this is how we're making our money. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.